So the people of Nima, you're very lucky. You have a very enlightened man as your leader and chief. And some of the issues that he has addressed are issues that have guided me in the policies that I have taken. The need for us to find a way of integrating the Zongo community into the broad stream of Ghanaian life. That's what made me establish the Zongo Development Fund, the first time such a fund has been established in the history of our country, because I believe strongly in bringing all the communities of this country together. Nii Futa is lamenting the fact that no Zongo person has featured in high places in the government of Ghana. Well, I don't know whether Abdallah, whether you are a Zongo boy or not. He's a Zongo boy. He's right up there with us.
Oh.